We are a global manufacturing company that makes aerial work platforms and material processing machinery. We started with really looking at our manufacturing processes and how we could go into lean and digital together. We started with custom developed applications. We transitioned very quickly by taking input from our manufacturing engineers to a low-code, no-code platform called Tulip that's hosted on AWS. All of our factories have manufacturing engineers that develop applications locally for their own factory. That data goes into our data lake that we have for our entire global ecosystem. So we're able to marry that data up, regardless of where it comes from, into all of the operational KPIs that our leaders need to see. From a customer perspective, it's giving us the ability to see the machines as they're being created, and it's also giving us the ability to pull the data in from the machines in the field. We're able to analyze that data and really see how the behavior in the field is versus the process that we use to manufacture.